Hi guys, how to file upload and ask question from ChatGPT. As you know, students handle enormous amounts of reading materials, research papers, lecture slides, case studies, textbook, chapters. Reading all of it thoroughly, it's not realistic. File upload changes how you interact with documents. Upload a PDF, Word file, or a spreadsheet and ask ChatGPT to summarize the key points in 5 bullet points. Identity the main argument of a research paper, extract all definitions from a chapters, generate practice questions from the context, compare two documents and highlight differences. For example, launch ChatGPT and here click on plus sign, choose add photos and files, and here upload your files and ask the question. Simply write, summarize the key points in 5 bullet points. Simple. Upload the file and ask your question such as summarize the key points in 5 bullet points and click on enter. And you can see analyzing image and 5 bullet points answer you will successfully receive just within seconds. This is the simplicity and beauty of ChatGPT. So you can easily utilize ChatGPT, upload a 40-page research paper, ask what are the three main findings of the paper and what methodology did the researchers use. You get a structured answer in 30 seconds instead of reading for 2 hours. So it's very important feature ChatGPT. Students can easily